Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool slime. Also, if you're part of Crazy Fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on the post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and just comment Crazy Fam down below, and then I'll know. So let's get started. So for this craft, you'll need some PVA glue. Elmer's works the best, so I would definitely recommend using Elmer's glue. You'll need some paint or food coloring to just make your slime a fun color. You can also use glitter, but I decided not to use glitter because it's a white slime. Then you'll need some shaving cream since we're making fluffy slime. We'll also need some baby powder to make it just really nice and stretchy. You'll need some activator, which is 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. We'll also need a spoon and a bowl. First, we'll be adding in our glue. This should be enough. Then I'm going to take our shaving cream. I want mine to be really fluffy, so I'm adding in a lot. I'm going to mix this in. This kind of feels like whipped cream, and it looks like it. I decided to go for a bubblegum pink because I just think it would look really cool because I don't have a bubblegum slime. So I'm using this paint. You can also use food coloring, but I think just paint makes it really cool. Looks pretty good. This looks just like cotton candy with bubble gum. Look how amazing this looks. Okay, so baby powder. This is gonna make it stretchy. It's kind of the same like lotion. So you might think that it makes it different because it's powder, not lotion, but it's actually the same. And it makes it a little bit thicker, so I like that. Because bubblegum is very thick to me. Okay, so I'm going to add in my borax. I'm going to add in a little at a time because I don't like slime to be overactivated. I just need a little bit more. That's probably. And you know your slime's ready when it starts to come off the bowl like this. I decided to go with my hands because it felt ready, but it definitely is not ready. It needs a lot more kneading to be done, and it needs a little more activator, but I'm going to knead it all first and then add activator, because if I add a lot to this little bitty piece, it's going to be very stiff and just not how I want. So I'm going to knead this, and I'll be back with you guys. So guys, my slime was so sticky I just had to activate it because it would not stop sticking to my hand. There's another problem. My color kind of faded, so I'm going to add a little bit more pink paint because I want this one to be more a bubblegummy, good, nice color. I'm now going to knead it in. Also, this will come off your hands very easy, unlike food coloring. That's why I use paint. it's still very pale, and I really don't know what to do because it's just so pale, and even if I keep on adding in this paint, it's still very pale because I added in a lot. Look at the difference. So I guess this is my last try, and if this doesn't work, I guess I'll just leave it. That's all. This has to work. This is be very excited. Okay, it's a little better. It's still very pale, but I like it. So now for the ASMR. Put on the satisfying music. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, because I really enjoyed making the slime. Also, my new upload time is Sundays. See you next time. Bye!